Just when I think I've learned it all, I see your face and down I fall.
Hi guys, and welcome to new vlog. The thing is that I worked during all day. I went to work actually, so I didn't film a lot today. So we figured out that we were gonna film the recipe we were gonna cook tonight. So for this recipe, it's like a meatball sauce with tomatoes, basil. So bon, c'est bon là. Ah, t'es trop chiant. Mais arrête là. Ça c'est à moi. Arrête, sinon je t'offre pas ma galette. T'es muet? Trop marrant. Bref. So we're gonna cook some meatballs with tomato sauce, basil, pasta, and burrata. So it's a recipe from Cyril Lignac, who is a French chef, and loving his book, by the way. So if you're looking for some good recipe and easy to do, you can do this one. Anyway, so we're gonna cook that. So we figure out that we're gonna film. So let's go. But before, we need to eat something because I'm really hungry. Can I have some bread? Can I have some bread? So I'm gonna eat some bread with some cheese because I'm really hungry.
Un demi.
Mais faut le dire, sinon comment ils vont savoir?
Mais tu vas le mettre à l'écran. De toute façon, tu vas bien devoir mettre la recette, non?
Non mais donne-moi toujours plus de montage.
Bah
quoi.
oui.
Onion. Okay. Then we need some garlic. Do we have some? We don't.
Oui donc.
We don't think so.
Oh non, je pensais qu'on en avait. Tu m'as dit qu'on en avait.
Du garlic, non. Je viens de dire qu'on en avait.
I can't explain, so let's pretend that I'm content being your friend.
On n'a pas de basilic, mais en fait on n'a rien de ce qu'il faut. On en a?
If time is the ultimate healer, I'm afraid that you have no cure. Just distractions to keep me near.
Bruh.
And from
Bruh.
running out
Bruh.
the back
casse-cou.
door, I cannot forget the things you said back when our story was clean. Every time the feeling is the same. Shows on my self-screen.
Guys, so we were cooking and there was such a strange smell, and like the place where there is the electricity is getting on fire. Well, not that much, just a little bit, but the plastic is melting. So we're calling an emergency line of our electricity provider. Yay! Welcome to my life. Okay guys, so the food was actually quite good even if we didn't really finish cooking as the meal needs it, because we were kind of focused on the electricity thing. Anyway, so no emergency for the moment, because the landlord has to take care of this, so we'll see tomorrow what we can do about that. For now we're just like being very careful with electricity and everything. But yes, so it's like 9:30 and 9:46 actually, and got to edit today's video. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I'm not gonna finish too late, and yeah. Okay guys, so it's actually midnight and the video is exporting at the moment. I really like how it turned out. Sorry you can't really see me, I'm just exporting. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. It's a bit like messy and cozy, just myself. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it actually. So I'm just gonna post it now. Finger crossed the Wi-Fi is gonna work all right, but here in Paris I have a really good connection actually, so it just takes a few minutes to go up. So now I just have to do like the thumbnail. Yeah, I just have to do that. Oh, there is an error. Oh. Anyway, what? Okay guys, the export is not working. That's the first time it does that. Anyway, I'm gonna figure that out and then just upload the video and just chill, relax and sleep, because tomorrow I'm still working, so I really have to work. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this crazy weird vlog, guys. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you want to, because so many of you are watching my video but are not subscribed. So yeah, it always feels so cool when I see people like you subscribe to my channel. It brings some love and some support, so yeah, give a thumbs up, comment, whatever, and I'll see you tomorrow actually. Bye.